Hi, beautiful people. Welcome finally to the Fruit Education Awakening, and I'm super excited to be doing this with you. So, what is the Fruit Education Awakening all about? Well, it is about me coming in those 30 days to inspire, to provoke, to equip, and to also educate you on the knowledge of fruit that a lot of people may not know. And while some may know, but they have not really harnessed the power of what they know. So basically, what we're going to be talking about on this fruit education awareness, it is not just about the usual strawberry, pomegranate, kiwi, dragon fruit, and the likes. No, we are going to talk about our conventional African oriented fruits that we have been, seeing, we have been handling, we have been engaging upon, and then also putting to use, but not to its fullest capacity. So the first fruit that I want to start with is our foremost watermelon fruit, and basically that's like my favorite fruit. So before I go into this particular fruit, let me just take my glasses off so that we could have eye to eye contact. All right, so now you see me and I see you, so come closer. Now you see this watermelon fruit. Yes, watermelon, it's not your regular fruits where you have to peel the back, throw the seed, and then eat just this red part. No, if you have been doing that, oh wrong now, oh wrong. Let me just give a brief intro of this watermelon. Everybody knows that watermelon is over 90% water content, right? Now, that's not why I'm here. Neither am I going to tell you, because everybody knows that you are to eat the flesh of it. But this particular fruit is a whole nutrient. When I mean whole nutrient, meaning the back, which is the rind, the flesh, and the seed. So if you're the kind of person that do this, you do this. When you're eating. Mm. Mm. And start picking the seed. And you do this. Stop it. I say stop it now. When you throw the seed away and you just want to eat only this. Mm. And you say you are done. You can see. You can see. You are wrong. You know why you are wrong? Because you are wrong on your health counts. Now, let me just let you know that you see this watermelon that you're seeing. There is a composition, and then there is an individualistic benefit every area or every part of this watermelon provides. Firstly, you can see from here that the content of this watermelon is fully separated. The seeds are there, the flesh, which is the red part, and then you have the rind. Basically, the flesh is about, let's say, 50 to 70% of the watermelon, right? And then you have your rind from here to here being about 20 to 30%. And then you have the seed put together being about 5% of this. Now, listen, there's something called small but mighty, and that is where I'm going to be basing it, because this is a fruit education awakening. I'm not going to be telling you about the regular thing that you know about fruits. Now, whoever told you to be removing this seed, please go and ask them, where did they get that information from? Because as healthy as this fruit is, the bioactive compounds are located in the seeds. So you are supposed to eat them. Yes. So the watermelon seed has been found to contain lots of antioxidants, anti-mutagenic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancerous properties that can help you treat or reverse many lifestyle diseases, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and even some certain cancers. This has been proven by research. What that means is that for someone who is having high cholesterol level, because watermelon is free of cholesterol and it has these properties inside of it, this bioactive compounds in a seed, it means for someone who would increase their intake of watermelon and the seed, you will be able to lower your cholesterol level to the normal range, as well as also regulate or bring down such person's blood pressure. That is to say, for someone who has high blood pressure, the consumption or increase of watermelon fruits and the seed will help them be able to manage and reverse that particular condition. And can I also shock you? Because of the anti-mutagenic properties that is present in the seed of watermelon, it has been found to also help to shrink prostate to the right size. So for someone who may have been diagnosed with prostate cancer, the seed has some significant help in helping to reduce or reverse that particular issue. I hope this video has helped someone. If you have gained one or two in this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, and then drop your comment. And also let me know any other information or any other benefit you have heard that the watermelon provide, and let's inspire healthy living. Until I see you again in my next fruitification awakening video. Mwah.